on Fridays, I try to get everything for my business done so that I don't work on weekends. I used to work on weekends and I would get like really overwhelmed and kind of stressed out. I needed to kind of carve in some time for myself and my family, so I do not do business stuff on weekends. So what doesn't get done on Friday, unfortunately, rolls in to Monday. But today we're gonna do some small batches of soap today, and I'm going to try and knock out as many YouTube videos and social media videos as I can. So come join me as we try and get as much stuff done today as we can on a Friday. Okay, so the very first thing is making some, when I say small batches of soaps, I mean like small. I'm making some like unscented variations of my soaps, and not too many people purchase them, so that's what I mean by like small, very small. But I got some back in stock requests, so I'm just gonna stock up my unscented. And they are melt and pour soaps, and I get my melt and pour soap bases from Bulk Apothecary, and I get the goat's milk soaps. These ones have been my favorite over the years, and they seem to be pretty affordable for my business, and then also they ship pretty quickly, so kind of a positive. So we're gonna make unscented honey oatmeal soap, and then an unscented turmeric soaps. So yeah, let's unpack these and get started. One down, a couple more to go. Okay, so now that the small batches of soap are done, I am now working on my Glow Collective glow boxes. So if you're part of my Patreon and you're part of the besties tier on my Patreon, I send out little monthly, I call them glow boxes. It's just like a little gift from me. And so this month, because I love fall, I'm sending out some pumpkin spice foaming scrubs. So I'm gonna get started working on those now that the soaps are done, get those all packaged up and sent out. So we're all done making the scrub. It smells really nice. So I'm gonna just scoop it into the containers. It honestly smells amazing. So it was made with a foaming base, sugar, coffee, pumpkin seed oil, and shea butter. I'll make sure I do a tutorial video on this, but it smells divine. It smells really good. All they need now is to be labeled and then packaged and mailed out. So we are actually making good timing for the day. It is only 1 o'clock. So from now until my kids come home, because that's when I need to stop and be mommy, I'm going to just record a couple videos, and then that's my day. My Friday's done and I can hang out with my kids, my babies, and my husband, and do weekend things. So I have just finished recording a couple of YouTube videos, but my kids will be home soon, so it's kind of time now to call it quits because it's 4 o'clock. The kids will be home soon, so it's time to call it quits. But it's been a pretty productive day. I got most of the things done off my to-do list, which was make some small batches of soap, work on my sugar scrubs for my glow boxes. If you would also like to be a part of the glow boxes, I I just want to encourage you to join my Patreon community, because I also share all of my recipes, tutorials, and behind the scenes and stuff. And then I recorded some videos, so I think today I was actually pretty productive. But it's time to go. So I hope that you've liked this video of just kind of seeing the behind the scenes of like what it's like in the day of a business owner and a mommy. So if you did, like, share, and comment. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, happy crafting.